Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, and it's assisted by Berry. It's a little set of tags that I have done using the new Time for Tags stamp set. Now, this is a Hostess exclusive that Berry really, really likes. Okay, off you go. It's a Hostess exclusive, or it's a Stampin' Rewards exclusive, I should say. So at the back of the catalogue, you've got a couple of sections. So you've got towards the back, you've got the project kits, which are brilliant. Then you've got the Hostess rewards, which are 4 stamp sets, and then obviously you've got the joining offer. Come and join me, come and join me. You never know where your story is going to take you. So once you place an order that's over £150, 200 euros, you will then get a percentage back. So you get 10%, 12, 14, 16, depending on how much you've spent. And then you can choose to buy these stamp sets, and they're considerably cheaper than the actual retail value. So this one here has got a retail value of £15, but it's only going to cost you 9 of those stamping pounds that you've got back. So that's one set. This one I showed you last week. This one is just divine. I have got a card made to show you this one, and this is the one I'm going to work with now because it works with the Timeless Label punch, which is a new punch. Yay! Okay, so let me scooch that out of the way. Super simple. I have got a box for these that I'm going to show you later in the week. You need a piece of cardstock that is 3 by 2 inches, which is 7.5 by 5 centimeters, and I'm going to go with the balloon this time. I've done all 5, but I'm recreating one. So these are the subtles, and I'm pulling out Calypso Coral this time. I'm just eyeballing to get roughly in the middle, and it's more just a bit in the background than anything else. Okay, because you can see they're just in the background. Put that to the side. Got my stamp cleaner here because I'm going to use the same stamp. So this is my Stampin' Scrub. Wet one side, dry the other side. Use your Stampin' Mist. Squirt it over. Scrub, scrub, clean, and pop off. That's how clean it is. It's popped off. Okay. So I have that out permanently. I'm just going to pop that to one side. I'm going to bring in a scrap of Whisker White. Oops. Oh no, it went on there. Oh, that's not annoying at all, is it? Very annoying. Put it on there. I haven't even taken the photos yet. Oh well. And then this is the new Timeless Label punch, and it does come as a bundle with Mosaic something or other. Mosaic Madness, Mosaic Mood. Don't remember. Let's clean up that stamp. Okay, and I'm bringing in my watercolour pencils this time. Now, I've got a bit of a mixture here. I've got 2 sets that we then retired the second set and then we brought it back out again. So I kind of don't know which one's which, but that's okay. We don't mind. So I'm going to go with this one. Although it's Pumpkin Pie, which is a colour we don't even do anymore, it's close to Calypso Coral, which actually is there. Let's put Pumpkin Pie away. Oops, and then I want a Daffodil Delight, which is that one, and I want a brown, and that's Cajun Curries. No, that's crushed curry. There is a brown, there it is, early espresso. Okay, so the thing with using watercolour pencils is that you don't have to stay inside the lines. You can just scribble a bit, and that is absolutely fine. That probably needs a sharpen, but that's okay. So I'm not going up to the edges. I'm just sort of kind of roughly going around. And watercolour pencils, you don't dip them in water and then paint with them. You colour, then you make them wet. So Daffodil Delight in the middle. And I'm going to use one of my blender pens. And as you get it wet, you can then move it around. So now I'm making it go up to the lines, ish. So it's kind of more of a case of you're getting the colour roughly in the right place and using your blender pen to make it go up to the lines. Clean it off like that. And that's it. Done. Okay, let me zoom back out. I've got such an old camera, it gets a little bit temperamental sometimes and it doesn't like to be moved. Okay, so I'm looking for, this is my detailed trio punch and I want to go roughly in the middle. That's kind of roughly in the middle to get that little hole. And then I've got my ribbon on the end, my ribbon with silver edging. I don't even know what ribbon on the end means. Oh dear. So pull it through. Neaten that up, and then a couple of dimensionals. Where did that one come from? I'm just to stick one to my finger, one to there, into the centre, and then you've got a space on the back to write. So, like I say, there is another part to this. So I have got a holder made. You'll see that on Friday, if this is coming out on Wednesday, the day after tomorrow. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.